Welcome to Newbie solution video. Today I'm going to show you there is a lot of issue. There are a lot of clients are telling me that there's a issue in the time synchronization, or the DB time is a different, even the server time is a different. So how to update that? So you can check here. So let me show you the first thing. Whenever you are going to the report section, the report, and just scroll down, just click on the add button. You can see there is a time gap. The server time is a different, the PHP time is a different, and the DB time is a different. So how to you should actually always the time should be same. There is no differ in the time. Sometimes even you can face some issue with your session timeout, or there is no session. So this is also there is a troubleshooting part for that one. So the time should be always the equal. So how to update that? Let's find out. I am giving the notepad also. I have opened. Check this one, and let's try in production server how to do that one. So go to the cd to the enter the directory, and here is the etc, then php7, and then CLI. Just hit enter. Vi I am using for the editing purpose. You can use the nano also for the editor. php.ini, and just go to the yes. So here you can find there is a written date.time zone. So you have to find that one, and so I know what time zone should be there for me. That is the Asia, and then and let's save it, control and then WQ, and then after we have to go to the new directory. So we are into etc php, and let's go to the Apache ls. Here is the php.ini, and let's find out the date dot time zone. So you can see there is a blank. So let's put here. I'm using I for the insert. Then let's save this file and just restart your service. Okay, so my service has restarted. Now you can check the time has changed accordingly. All the server time as well as the DB time and the PHP time has changed accordingly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching our video. Please keep watching and subscribe us, and let us know if you need any help or the technical view. And thanks once again.